Now, in view of the rising pollution and the plummeting air quality index, the Delhi government has taken several key decisions. Two major ones include 10,000 rupees as direct benefit transfer to the accounts of all registered and verified construction workers that have been halted because the imposition of GRAP 4, which halts all construction activities, and 50% work from home has now been made mandatory not only for government offices but also for private employers. As far as work from home is concerned, emergency services such as healthcare, the police, all of those will be exempt. Essential services have always remained exempt from these kind of norms that have been put in place. But for now, the Delhi government has decided that not only is GRAP 4 required, but some other measures also need to be taken.
आज श्रम मंत्रालय ये निर्देश जारी कर रहा है सभी प्रतिष्ठानों के लिए, दिल्ली के सरकारी और प्राइवेट सभी प्रतिष्ठानों में कल से मैक्सिमम केवल 50% अटेंडेंस अलाउ होगी। बाकी 50% लोगों को वर्क फ्रॉम होम ये मैंडेटरी सभी प्रतिष्ठानों को देना होगा। ग्रैप 3 के दौरान जो कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम बंद था, उससे दिल्ली के कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर, निर्माण मजदूर प्रभावित हुए थे। खासतौर पे जो लोग दिहाड़ी के हिसाब से काम करते हैं, जिनको रोज का काम का पैसा मिलता है, उनकी आमदनी बंद हुई थी। मुख्यमंत्री महोदया के द्वारा दिल्ली के लेबर डिपार्टमेंट ने, श्रम मंत्रालय ने, श्रम विभाग ने यह निर्णय लिया है कि सभी रजिस्टर्ड वेरीफाइड जो कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर हैं, निर्माण मजदूर हैं, ग्रैप 3 का कंपनसेशन 10,000 रुपए सबके खातों में दिल्ली सरकार के द्वारा भेजा जाएगा। ये ग्रैप 4 के लिए भी, जब ग्रैप 4 समाप्त होगा, ग्रैप 4 के दिनों को भी हम काउंट करेंगे और ग्रैप 4 का भी कंपनसेशन हम सभी रजिस्टर्ड वेरीफाइड कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर्स के खातों में भेजेंगे। तो 10,000 रुपए दिल्ली के हर निर्माण मजदूर जो रजिस्टर्ड है और वेरीफाइड है, उन सबके खातों में दिल्ली सरकार के द्वारा सीधे उनके खातों में डीबीटी करके 10,000 रुपए भेजे जाएंगे। यह निर्णय लिया गया है। और इसमें एक चीज और है कि ये रजिस्ट्रेशन की प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू जारी है। तो मैं आपके माध्यम से ये भी अपील करना चाहता हूं सभी कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर्स से, निर्माण मजदूरों से।
Nivedita, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details on this. Nivedita, several measures have now been announced by the state government in Delhi, but many would say, not just political rivals of the BJP, but many citizens of Delhi would also say that all of these measures are a little too late.
Yes. So the almost 3 major announcements were issued by the Delhi government in the last 24 hours. That include the work from home for almost half of all the organizations that are registered in Delhi, be it businesses or private office and government offices. And also the government has banned all the all the vehicles which are below BS6 and are not registered in Delhi. And the third major change that the government has announced is that all vehicles need to have a valid PUCC to get refueled at the petrol, diesel and CNG pumps. So yeah, all these 3 measures came at a time when the AQI was already over 400 and 450 in parts of Delhi. And the opposition as well as the environmentalists have been saying that these measures should have been taken way before the AQI crossed the very poor and poor mark, and not at a time when the AQI reached the severe category.